how to create WhatsApp group in iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to create your own personal WhatsApp group where you can communicate with your followers, or where your followers can join your group where you share information at once to everybody, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create WhatsApp group in iPhone, all you just need to just go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Now, once you open the WhatsApp application, on the latest WhatsApp app, you should see this menu like this. If you have start a group chat with friends and family, you just come here, click on create group. But in a situation whereby this is not available just like this, you see that? Just click on the plus icon at the top right. Then here, you should see new group, new contact, new community, and new broadcast. Go ahead and click on new group. Then select your group member. So just go ahead, select all your group member. You can select your entire contact and see I have 1,200 members as my group member. So just go ahead, select your group member here. You can also search for group member like this. And then click on next at top right. Then you want to give this group a name. So just say WhatsApp group. So you want to give your WhatsApp group a unique name so that you can easily identify it among other WhatsApp group you have created. Then here you can see disappearing messages. If you want to set your WhatsApp group to disappearing messages, you can just go ahead, set this. And then your group permission. So here, if you want member to be able to edit group settings, send messages, and add other member, make sure all these are checked. But you can set admin to approve new member, so that if other members added others to the group, you only be the one to approve the new members if you choose to. Then hit the bell button. Once you turn that on, then you can set your WhatsApp group profile picture. You can use emojis, stickers, or whatever you want. Click on done. Then click on create at the top right. Then hang on. Then you should see your WhatsApp group created just like this. You see that? So you can repeat this to create WhatsApp group on your iPhone. So that is basically how to create WhatsApp group in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.